Today from Chez Trips, we make patty melts, and they are beautiful. Come on, oh baby, don't you wanna go? Come on. Hello, welcome to the kitchen of Chez Trips. I am your owner and proprietor, Chef Trips. For today's video recipe, we are making patty melts, and they are beautiful. In a small bowl, mix your sauce ingredients of mayonnaise, ketchup, relish, Worcestershire sauce, garlic and onion powders with salt and pepper to taste, then set aside. For the full ingredients and instructions on how to prepare these patty melts, you can find them at sportschicagostyle.com on our page of Chez Trips. For the ground beef patties, season with salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, and a splash of Worcestershire sauce. Then form the patties into slightly larger than your bread slices. Please be sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment on all of our social media platforms on the Twitter, the Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube channel. And if you would like to support financially, we have the Ko-fi and the Patreon. Sports Chicago Style is the name for all. Thank you. In a small skillet over medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and add your thinly sliced onions, season with salt and pepper, and cook until caramelized for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then transfer to a bowl. In the same skillet over medium heat, melt another tablespoon of butter, add the mushrooms, and season with salt and pepper. Cook until caramelized, about 10 to 15 minutes, then transfer those to a different bowl. Larger skillet on medium-high heat, cook the patties to your desired doneness, about 4 minutes per side for medium. Remove and set aside. Butter one side of each bread slice, then spread the sauce onto the non-buttered side, add a slice of cheese, a burger patty, onions, mushrooms, and another slice of cheese, and then top with the other piece of bread, buttered side up. that you have enjoyed today's video recipe and that you try this in your own kitchen. Please be sure to comment on how they turned out. See you next time.